Hello neighbors and friends. So today's vlog, we're gonna cook chicken soup or sopas. Ingredients are chicken, potato, garlic, onion, carrots, cabbage, butter, and oil. Also, I have quail eggs. So just saute garlic and onion with butter. And now we're gonna put the chicken and carrots. Let's just cook it. And after that, you can add another um, ingredients like pepper and salt. So it's easy to cook chicken soup or sopas. This is a very good food for merienda. And you can add 2 cubes of chicken cubes and additional garlic powder. So just let it boil and then also add potatoes. Now just mix it together and let it cook again. After that, you can add also additional salt if you want, or patis, fish salt. And para mas malasa po siya, dagdagan niyo pa siya ng garlic powder. Now, this is the fish salt. Depends on your taste. You can add more fish salt. And then add water. After you add water, just mix and let it boil. Mix everything and let it boil. So now we can add the cooked macaroni. I already cooked macaroni para mas madali na siyang maluto. And then, ayan, hahalu-haluin lang natin. At pakukuluan pa ng mabuti. So, everything is cooked na. Lagay na natin ang Carnation evaporated milk. And then, I add again butter. Yung pong butter ang nagpapasarap sa ating macaroni soup or sopas. Malasa po siya. I-try ninyo. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more update. Ayan na po yung ating cabbage. So, last na po yung cabbage. And then, after that, when it's cooked, you can add the egg quail. So, that's it for now, mga marites. You can also add fried garlic kapag luto na siya. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng fried garlic kapag kakainin nyo na po para mas masarap. So, ayan na ang evaporated milk. And okay na po siya. Luto na. Thank you for watching. God bless you.